Good morning, student. How are you? For the class 10th subject mathematics, the lesson number 1 is GST. So today I am explaining lesson number first, GST. Actually, government needs money for the different purposes like administrative activity, welfare, development schemes, and the salary of employee. So government needs money. So money collected by the government, money means revenue collected by the government is called a tax. Now tax are two types, direct tax and indirect tax. What is direct tax? It is imposed on the income of individual or organization. Means direct tax apply directly on individual or any organization or any companies. And indirect tax, what is indirect tax? It is paid by the consumer when they buy goods or services. Means any public, any consumers when purchase any types of goods and services from anywhere, then they indirectly pay the tax. It is included in the cost price of the particular object or services. Okay, understand? Now some terms related to the tax. The first is dealer. What is dealer? A dealer is a person who buy goods or services for resale. Means any person when purchase any goods or services for reselling, then it is called a dealer. Now second is what is cost price? It is the price at which a trader buy goods. Means the price at which any particular object is purchased or the services, then it is called the cost price. We called it CP. Now list price or mark price means the printed price that is printed on the object or the goods. So it is called the list price or mark price. Now discount. In order to sell out the old stock for the some other reason, the shopkeeper offers some percentage on the mark price. Means sometimes there are so much bulk or goods are available in the companies. So in order to sell the old stock or any other reason, then the shopkeeper provide a discount for the consumer. It is always on the mark price. Now what is the selling price? It is the price at which the trader sell his goods with discount. Means after reducing the discount, the remaining price is selling price. Means selling price is equal list price minus discount. It means it is equal to the discounted price. Means selling price is equal list price minus discount. If discount is not there, then the selling price equal mark price. Means अगर discount नहीं होगा तो selling price equal mark price. Okay, you can take screenshot. If you learn these terms, then you can understand the lesson easily. Otherwise, it will not easily understandable. Okay. Now your lesson name is GST. So G for goods, S for services, and T for tax. The full form of GST is goods and service tax. Actually, in the starting period before 1st July 2017, there are so many taxes are there in our India, like service tax, income tax, excise duty, custom duty. So many taxes are there. So much complexity in the taxes system. So from 1st July 2017, government introduced a one tax, that is GST. Means one tax include all other taxes. So its name also one nation one tax. Means government wants that one nation one tax. In all India only one nation and one tax. Now what is the meaning of goods? Every kind of movable things or the property is called goods. Means when you purchase any items from anywhere and you can easily bring from particular place to the particular place, then it is the movable item, so it is called the goods. And what is the services? Anything other than goods, money and the security. It include banking, insurance services. It is called the services, like hotel services, many other services, saloon, banking. These are the services. Okay. Now GST, three types are there. First is CGST, second SGST, and third is IGST. CGST means central GST. SGST, that is received by the state government, as for state. And IGST, integrated GST. It is received by the central government. Central GST, state GST, and integrated GST. There are two more important part in the GSTs: intra-state condition and interstate condition. In intra-state conditions, the supply product and services supply within the same state. Like when you purchase any material from Jhansi, Lalitpur to Jhansi, or Jhansi to Agra. Lalitpur is also in UP and Jhansi is in the UP, and Jhansi and Agra both are in UP. It means the supply the product and services in the same state. Then the intra-state conditions apply, and the interstate condition supply from one state to the another state. Means अगर कोई product or services supply in the another state, means Lalitpur to Bhopal, Lalitpur in UP and Bhopal in MP, and Lalitpur in UP and Delhi another state. Means any product or services when supply in the different state, then the interstate condition follow. If supply the product and services in the same state, then it will intrastate condition. In the intrastate conditions, the half portion will receive by the central government CGST and the half % received by the state governments. And in the interstate condition, only central government means IGST will be applied. Central government receive the tax. इंट्रा-स्टेट कंडीशन में हाफ पोर्शन सेंट्रल को मिलेगा और हाफ पोर्शन स्टेट को. बट इन द इंटर स्टेट कंडीशन द होल टैक्स विल कलेक्टेड बाय द central government in the form of IGST. Okay, so these two conditions very important in your exercise. You have to first understand the question is from the intrastate or the question is from the interstate. Then you apply your find out the taxes. Then you can solve the question easily. So in this first video, first you have to understand what is the GST. Then in the next video I will solve some numerical problem, so you can easily understand what is the GST. Okay, thank you.